Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a member to a group on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. If you've been wondering how to bring new people into your group chats on Instagram's desktop version, this step-by-step guide will make it quick and easy. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the menu. Here, click on the messages icon. This icon looks like a paper airplane or a speech bubble, and it will take you to your direct messages. Next, find and open the group chat where you want to add a new member. Once inside the group conversation, look for the info icon. This is usually represented by an eye inside a circle, located at the top right corner of the chat window. Click on this icon to open the group details. In the group details section, you'll see several options. Look for the button labeled Add People and click on it. This will open a search bar where you can type the Instagram username of the person you want to add to the group. Type the exact name or username of the account you want to invite. Instagram will show you matching accounts as you type. When you see the right person, select their name. After selecting the new member, click on the next button to confirm your choice. Instagram will then add the person to your group chat, and they'll be able to join the conversation immediately. And that's it. Adding someone to a group on Instagram's PC app is straightforward with this new update. Just remember these simple steps. Open Instagram, go to Messages, open the group, click the info icon, add people, enter the name, and click Next. Now you can easily expand your group chats and stay connected with more friends or colleagues right from your computer. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of Instagram.